So hi everyone, we have a big giveaway this time and we are gifting away NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit. Yes, you heard it right. And not just that, we are also giving away 5 DLI coupons, that is Deep Learning Institute coupons by NVIDIA worth $90. And for this, we are running a contest around NVIDIA GTC conference that is happening from 17th of March to 21st of March. So how you can get this prize, how you can get Jetson, how you can get the DLI coupons, let me explain you in brief. So as you must be knowing, NVIDIA GTC is round the corner, which will start from 17th of March and will last till 21st of March. And this also includes NVIDIA CEO, that is Jenson's GTC keynote, which has been the highlight of the previous GTCs as well, which is scheduled for 18th of March. So, how to participate in the contest? You have to do nothing, just register using the link below in the description. Click on register now. Now, once you land on this page, welcome to GTC registration. Go to virtual and fill in your information here. You can fill in the values according to your profile and then click on agree on the terms and condition and go to continue. Now once done, you should be able to see GTC virtual registration, submit your order here, and that's it. Once you have registered, attend any of the sessions of your choice and share a screenshot at datasciencepocket@gmail.com. The email ID is also present in the description below. And one lucky winner will get a Jetson Orange Super Developer Kit, and 5 lucky winners will get a DLI coupon worth $90. So stay tuned. This particular AI conference is of lot of worth, and you should be attending it at any cost. And you also get surprising prizes, so it's all worth it. So I hope you attend the session and you win the prizes as well. Thank you so much.